Waters, the jazz vocalist frequently described as a class act. Last year, Reverb Nation ranked him the #1 jazz artist in all of DC, and he's here today on The Sound. Hello everyone, Britt Waters here on The Sound with jazz vocalist and an artist who has a residence at Mr. Henry's on Capitol Hill, right. Mr. Aaron Myers. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. How you doing?
I'm good. What is that audience like at Capitol Hill?
It's very diverse.
Really?
You can go into a show and you'll see a couple who've been married 50 years next to a couple who on their first date. You know, jazz knows no bounds. So all colors, shapes, sizes, ages, everyone's there.
So what are you going to play for us now that'll fit for everybody?
Almost like Being in Love in a Groove. It's an old school tune that we kind of brought up to this century. So you can kind of groove to it and have a good time with it.
I like that. Take it away. Make us fall in love.
All right, let's do it. Has been what a rare mood I'm in. It's almost like being in love. There's a smile on my face for the whole human race. It's almost like being in love. All the music in life seems to be like a bell that keeps ringing for me. And by the way my heart feels when that bell starts to peal, it's just like I have been falling, just like I'm falling, almost like being in love. Oh, what a day this has been. What a rare mood I'm in. Almost like being in love. There's a smile on my face for the whole human race. It's almost like being in love. All the music in life seems to be
Welcome back to The Sound. I'm Britt Waters here on the comfy couch with vocalist Aaron Myers, the talented. You've become like a staple in the DC jazz scene.
I hope so.
Like you're the guy to know.
Well, I hope so, and I hope that's very nice for you to say. There's so many jazz artists here in Washington, D.C., and there's a lot of jazz vocalists, and I'm very happy to have a place to work. I hope we've been lobbying and doing a lot of work lately to make sure that jazz artists keep places to work in Washington, D.C.
Where we go on the weekends?
Well, Bohemian Caverns closed down, and we've seen jazz artists. When Bohemian Caverns closed down, to jazz artists, it was like a GM plant closing in Detroit.
Oh no!
You know, and so what we have found, we have so much talent in the Washington D.C. area, but we're finding less places to play. So when you find people like myself, Herb Scott, the band over here, people who are actually working, we're working hard to ensure that other artists can work as well. And that's one of the big things we've been working on and focusing on lately, called the DC Jazz Lobby.
That's good. So you guys aren't really competitive in the jazz world. You work together.
Oh, well, you work together. You know, we compete for gigs. You got to do what you got to do. You know what I mean? But it's a healthy competition, and it is a community, which is more so important. And that's what we're really trying our best to not only bolster, but empower. Going down to City Hall and this, that, and the other, and talking to everybody you can imagine. I think we've had 50 or 60 meetings in the last month. back home, out in the corner. I don't go nowhere. Oh, but what do I care? Your kisses are all I've been waiting for. Baby, baby, believe me, I don't stay out late. I got no place to go. I'm home about 8, just me and my old radio. Ain't misbehaving, saving my love. Ain't misbehaving, 'cause I'm saving my love. Ain't misbehaving, saving my love for you.
Woo. Thank you so much, everybody. I know you don't want the party to start, so don't worry. I will see you right back here on the next sound. Meanwhile, you can catch me on The Fam in the morning on 93.9 WKYS. See ya.